This video will show teachers how they can use their iPad as an external monitor, as well as use their mouse on their MacBook to control their iPad. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your system settings and double check that you have signed into your school-issued Apple ID. The same goes for your settings on your iPad. Next, you're going to open up the display settings right here and click on Advanced. From there, you will want to check on these two items here, which allows you to use your Mac's mouse on your iPad screen. So because I have this already set up and ready to go, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take my mouse and move it to the edge of my screen, and then you should see it appear on my iPad screen. Similar to using an external monitor or using an extended display, you can see now that my mouse is here on my iPad, and I can use it to click with my trackpad on different items on my iPad. This is useful when making tutorials for students because then they can see what you're tapping on if you want to create a tutorial for them. The next thing I'll show you is how you can use your iPad as an external display. Let's say you want to have an external monitor but don't have one on hand, but you do have your iPad. What you can do is click along the top here where there's these two boxes, which is the AirPlay screen mirroring symbol. You can mirror or extend your display to your iPad. So I'm going to click on my iPad here, and then I can choose to either mirror my built-in Retina display, aka show exactly what's on my Mac on my iPad, or I can use it as an extended display. So I have that selected here. So then what I can do is, for example, grab a window in Chrome. I can drag it over, in this case over to the left, and then on my iPad screen I can, using my trackpad, I can interact with this just as if it were an external monitor. Note though that in this way it does not allow you to use the touch screen on the iPad. It's really just an external display, just like a monitor would be. And then of course I can still continue using my MacBook over here. So those are some fancy ways that you can use your iPad and your MacBook together.